Here's a quick follow-up video on everything that I've done. First, I began by wanting to clean up all the wiring mess. There were wires coming out of this corner running over, wires coming out of this corner running over. I was tripping over them. They didn't look cool. They were just flopping everywhere, so I wanted to make a graph mounting bracket, which I did out of 12 gauge steel. Bend it, cut it, cut more of it, angle the corners here, smooth the edges off, added primer to it, painted it black, put it on here. It helps protect my panel here as well. Also did some rewiring, changed the trolling motor cables and the receptacle as well, changed it, soldered all the wiring. Second thing I did was drill some holes right here to run all the wiring through. I didn't want to mix all the wiring together, so all the encoder wiring is right here in this one, and all the graph wiring is in this hole right here. I wanted to put the heading sensor right here, which is straight with the boat. So hope I don't have any issues with that, but we'll do some testing soon. I also did something else. When I'm towing the boat, I want to pull the trolling motor up a little bit. So I came up with this idea. Used a fishing swivel, melted it into the screw thing here, and added a cable and screwed it into this hole right here. Well, put it in there and mounted it in there. What this allows me to do is, when I'm on the water, get that, push it forward, put that in there. Don't have to worry about keeping up with the key, don't have to worry about losing the key. When I'm off the water, unscrew it, pull it back, and put the key right back in there. And I also put holes on the other side as well, so if I'm on that side of the boat, I can put them in the same spot. So overall, I'm happy with everything and can't wait to go test it all.